A1 Healthcare presents VICKS VapoRub. Potential uses and secrets everyone should know. Certain products have earned a place in the medicine cabinet over the years. No matter what happens, you can always count on them to be there. VICKS VapoRub is one of the most popular products on this list because it is primarily used to relieve chest congestion. Nevertheless, as we'll see in a moment, it does more than just clear your throat. You'll never want to be without it again, VICKS, once you discover all of its uses and benefits. Here are 25 potential uses, benefits and secrets of VICKS VapoRub everyone should know. Number 1. Relief from bruising. If you notice the beginnings of a bruise, add VICKS VapoRub with some salt, and the mixture should prevent an unsightly purple wound from forming. Number 2. Acne prevention. You might giggle for a moment before clicking away, but this is a genuine suggestion. If you use VICKS VapoRub on acne, it will dry and soothe the skin quickly, but only if you do it several times a day. Number 3. Wound treatment. Of course, we keep Neosporin on hand to treat splinters and cuts, but what happens if you run out? This is where VICKS enters in, as it should hasten the healing process while keeping bacteria and germs from entering. Number 4. Insect repellent. To begin our list, we thought we'd start with something unusual. Did you know that VICKS VapoRub can be used to repel insects? The ointment can be rubbed over your garments, as well as your ears, elbows, knees, and neck, before going outside on a bright day, thanks to the cedar leaf oil it contains. The menthol will keep all bugs and creatures away, even if the fragrance isn't too strong for us. It can also be used to reduce itching from bug bites if you enjoy camping vacations. Number 5. Headache removal. Of all the pains we experience in life, the dull ache in the forehead has to be one of the most frustrating. Normally coming from nowhere to ruin our day, headaches can actually be alleviated by applying VICKS VapoRub under the nose. As you breathe in deeply, the menthol should get to work and clear any problems. Number 6. Instant tears. Admittedly, this isn't going to be for everybody, but professional actors, actresses actually use VICKS VapoRub if they need to cry for a photo shoot or stage performance. A little under the eyes will allow a tear or two. Number 7. Furniture savior. If you own a cat and they like to scratch on things, some VapoRub will work wonders here because your cat won't like the smell. Whether it's a wall or a door, you can increase their life by deterring your feline friend. Number 8. Aromatherapy solution. If you want to transmit a beautiful scent into the air, make sure you have some VICKS added to your air freshener and it'll soon circulate around the whole room. If you're ill or experiencing chest congestion, this is a great way to turn the environment in your favor. Number 9. Squeak removal. Do you have a door that always squeaks when opening or closing? If so, VICKS VapoRub often works as an emergency replacement for oil. Number 10. Eczema treatment. After applying VICKS to the affected area, many people find relief and a reduction in inflammation. Number 11. Cracked heel cure. Hands and heels are prone to dryness, especially in the winter. Skin cracks over time, causing pain and discomfort. With VapoRub, we have a product that will hydrate the skin and fix cracking. Number 12. Toenail fungus solution. As well as not looking too nice, nail fungus will quickly infect the toes, thus causing discoloration and thickening. With the latter, the nail is pushed further and further away from the toes until it falls away. In recent years, scientists have experimented with numerous solutions only to find VapoRub as the ideal one thanks to the thymol it contains. Before applying, wash and dry your feet extensively. From here, try to get into every crack and corner, and even under the nail, if possible. As long as you apply a band-aid to keep the toe clean each time, you should see results in a minimum of 10 days. Number 13. Tennis elbow treatment. Since VICKS contains both menthol and camphor, It can be a very good treatment for tennis elbow. As long as you work with the doctor and possibly a therapist to deal with the underlying cause, the VapoRub works as a topical analgesic, and this means the minor aches should be removed in the short term. Number 14. Burn soothing. If you recently burned yourself from the steam of cooking vegetables, for example, the first step should always be to run it under cold water, but then relief can be gained from Vicks. Number 15. Moisturizer, quick and simple. Vicks works as a moisturizer for your skin if you don't have anything else in the house. Number 16. Wart removal. After applying some Vicks VapoRub to the affected area, cover with a bandage or Band-Aid and then place your sock over the top. If you can apply it once or twice a day for the next 2 weeks, the wart should disappear. Number 17. Lip plumper. Many people nowadays use VapoRub on their lips because it offers so many benefits. The menthol should make them feel softer while also giving them a thicker appearance. Of fact, the petroleum jelly will keep them hydrated. However, it is not a good remedy for dry lips because it can irritate them. Number 18. Covering smells. On a day-to-day basis, there are many unpleasant smells that can occur from a baby's diaper to removing the trash. While holding our breath works in the short term, it doesn't help with removing the smell in the long term. With a combination of the Vicks air freshener we discussed previously and a little applied under the nose, you'll be immune to all those nasty scents. Number 19. Aching muscles. After working out, it isn't long before the trained muscles start to ache. The next day is always difficult after leg day. To remove the aching somewhat, a layer of Vicks applied with a warm towel will relieve pain and improve recovery. This is something many sportspeople do after an event. Number 20. Focus racehorses. Often, racehorses can get distracted by the smell of mares, so a little Vicks under the nostrils of your horse will keep them focused for the run ahead. Number 21. Stretch mark fader. If you don't feel confident when your stretch marks are on show, the regular application of Vicks VapoRub can help, and you should see a difference within a couple of weeks. Number 22. Infection prevention. As we saw earlier, Vicks is useful when treating splinters and cuts, but it applies to most wounds where infection is a likely problem. Number 23. Shower balm. Just recently, there has been several commercials for the so-called shower discs, containing Vicks VapoRub, and this is something else people seem to love. After placing the disc in the shower, the vapor should aid any sniffling or cold you've been experiencing. The steam combines with the Vicks to help your sinuses. Number 24. Pee prevention for pets. Finally, having an open bottle of this product near rugs and mats should deter your pets, which means you won't have to walk in to find a wet rug where they've decided to pee. Number 25. Vicks VapoRub for colds. Of course, I had to include Vicks VapoRub, a mentholated topical ointment used to ease congestion in the head, throat, and chest. There you have it. Vicks VapoRub's uses, benefits, and secrets. Before we let you get on with your day, it's important to note that Vicks contains levomenthol, a mint-like chemical. If you read that Vicks VapoRub shouldn't be used due to this component, ignore it. When used alone, this substance might cause rashes and other problems. Vicks contains eucalyptus oil, which neutralizes the levomenthol's effect and makes it safe to use. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe a One Healthcare YouTube channel.